Hey everybody, it's Taylor with the Vacationeer, and today I'm taking you inside the coolest, most stylish address in all of Disneyland Paris, Disney Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel. In this video, I'm going to give you a comprehensive look at exactly what this upscale experience has to offer. We'll explore the stunning gallery-style public spaces, dive into the spectacular dining menus, break down the resort's premium amenities, and take a look inside the ultra-modern room categories. I'll also be sharing my personal feedback from our stay to help you decide if this is the perfect heroic home base for your Disneyland Paris vacation. Now before booking, reach out to the Vacationeer. One of the biggest reasons to book your Disneyland Paris vacation with us is the built-in value and the knowledge we can share, like how to get tickets included for every single day of your stay, including both check-in and check-out days. Reach out to your favorite Vacationeer advisor or simply click the link down in the description to secure the absolute best value on your next Disney vacation. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive into the full resort guide for Disney Hotel New York, the Art of Marvel. One of the main reasons to book your stay at the Hotel New York is the location. This resort sits in an absolute sweet spot, positioned right at the edge of the Disney Village, just a 10-minute stroll straight into both Disneyland and the newly rebranded Adventure World parks. And the moment you step through the main entrance and into the sleek cosmopolitan lobby, you'll realize this isn't just a hotel. It's a world-class gallery of modern comic book art. In fact, this property houses the largest publicly viewable collection of Marvel artwork in the entire world, featuring over 350 original pieces created by more than 110 international artists. On both sides of the lobby, you'll have striking backlit comic panels, as well as aluminum towers that are brushed with Marvel artwork. And you can't forget the jaw-dropping showcase of 3 life-size Iron Man suits displayed in a custom Tony Stark-style armor bay. Although most of the family may be preoccupied with the artwork in the lobby, this is where you'll handle your check-in, grab those important park tickets, and drop your bags at the complimentary luggage desk so you can immediately hit the parks lines-free. And behind the check-in desk, you'll see a video depicting the creation of an art piece that was specifically for the hotel. And the original is located, I won't give that one away, I'll let you find this one yourself. Now, if you want to take your art appreciation to an even higher level, you can actually book an exclusive in-person guided tour. You can easily stop by the concierge desk during your stay to set up a private walkthrough tour with an art guardian. They will take you through the lobby and the galleries, sharing fascinating behind-the-scenes secrets about how these pieces were commissioned, stories about the legendary Marvel illustrators who drew them, and hidden details you would completely miss on your own. It's an absolute must-do experience for Marvel superfans, and we absolutely loved it during our stay. If you wander down the grand corridor just past the main lobby, you'll stumble upon one of the absolute best hidden gems on the property, the Jack Kirby Legacy Gallery, named after the king of comics himself, the legend who co-created the X-Men, Fantastic Four, and the Avengers. This space houses a permanent collection of 21 historic comic book covers drawn by Kirby. But my favorite art exhibit on property was the Marvel Art Exhibit. This is a highly specialized mentorship program where a select class of incredibly talented rising artists showcase their work as they attempt to become official published Marvel comic illustrators. Lining the walls, you can see the masterful creations they developed under the direct guidance of legendary Marvel mentors and judges. Because the installation in this corridor are designed to constantly evolve and change, you'll always want to stop by during your stay to see what brand new heroic pieces are currently showing. And once you've taken in all the art galleries, it's time to experience the resort's incredible nightlife, starting with the ultra-stylish Skyline Bar. The moment you walk in, you're transported straight to a chic, high-end Manhattan lounge. But the real showstopper here is the row of massive panoramic windows behind the bar. They're actually state-of-the-art digital screens that give you a live, breathtaking view overlooking the iconic New York City skyline. You might just spot Spider-Man swinging past or the Avengers Quinjet soaring across the sky. The menu features an array of sophisticated themed cocktails and fine wines that perfectly match the elegant upscale vibe. The Skyline Bar also serves premium light bites and traditional American savory appetizers like crab cakes, chicken wings, alongside beautifully themed character desserts like the iconic Dr. Strange's shoe pastry. Just across the hall, you'll find the Bleecker Street Lounge. This lounge is much more casual and laid back, making for the perfect hub to grab a craft beer, artisanal coffee, or a light bite during the day. It even features a selection of organic wines and exclusive Marvel-themed suites. Whether you want to belly up to the bar at the Skyline for an elegant evening view or unwind on a cozy couch at Bleecker Street after a busy afternoon in the parks, these go-to lounges have you covered. On the opposite side of the lobby sits the New York Boutique. Instead of a standard gift shop, this space is designed to feel like a high-end contemporary museum shop with a sleek layout directly inspired by Tony Stark's Wall of Armor. This is the exclusive spot on property where you can actually buy high-quality reproductions of the Marvel artwork hanging in the hotel halls, alongside collector art books and premium Iron Man statuettes. Of course, it's also fully stocked with your classic vacation staples, Disneyland Paris apparel, pins, plush toys, snacks, and a station to access your Disney PhotoPass memories. It's the ultimate spot to grab an exclusive souvenir before heading out for the day. Next up is food, and when it comes to dining, this resort boasts two of the most popular and highly rated restaurants in all of Disneyland Paris, offering two totally different styles of culinary adventures. First up is the Manhattan Restaurant. If you want a refined, sophisticated evening, this upscale table service venue is the pinnacle of luxury on property. The dining room is stunningly designed to mimic a high-end contemporary New York restaurant. The menu here focuses on fresh, authentic, and premium Italian cuisine. You can expect perfectly prepared risottos, fresh pastas, and elegant main dishes. It's a peaceful, upscale dining experience that is perfect for a romantic date night or a quiet celebratory dinner. Just down the hall, you'll find the Downtown Restaurant. This is the resort's exceptionally popular all-you-can-eat buffet venue. You'll watch chefs prepare fresh dishes right before your eyes at live cooking stations, featuring everything from assorted dim sum to wok noodles, freshly baked pastas, lasagna, chicken wings, and slow-roasted beef brisket. And make sure to save plenty of room for the dessert stations. It is legendary for its themed Marvel sweets, including Captain America Panna Cotta, Baby Groot chocolate mousse, and exclusive Avengers macarons. And a Vacationeer pro tip is because the Downtown Restaurant is consistently one of the single highest rated buffets on property, table reservations here are hard to snag. When you plan your trip with the Vacationeer, your advisor will help you secure these highly competitive dining slots the moment your booking window opens, so you don't miss out on either of these incredible culinary experiences. And if you're looking to take your vacation to the next level, step up and book an Empire State Club room or suite, just like the Compass Club over at the Newport Bay Club or Deluxe or Castle Club room at the Disneyland Hotel. This is the resort's private upscale enclave. Upgrading to this tier grants you access to an exclusive dedicated reception desk for a completely frictionless VIP check-in, as well as your own personal concierge. But the real crown jewel is entry into the Empire State Lounge. This is a peaceful escape from the park crowds, and it serves complimentary high-end hot and cold breakfast buffet every morning, a delightful afternoon tea time packed with exquisite sweets and savory pastries, and free soft drinks and hot beverages throughout the entire day. Now, whether you book a standard or a club level, staying at this hotel unlocks an incredible exclusive benefit that you cannot get anywhere else in Disneyland Paris, and that is access to the Superhero Station. This is a beautifully themed private indoor pavilion where you can book an exclusive meet and greet slot to interact with your favorite Marvel heroes, Spider-Man, Captain America, or Thor. But it's not just a quick photo op. The space is packed with immersive high-tech photo studios where you can pose inside Doctor Strange's sanctum, lift Thor's hammer, peek into Peter Parker's bedroom, or step right into the Collector's Museum. Keep in mind, you can only book a slot at the Superhero Station if you are a registered guest staying at this specific hotel. Spaces are limited and must be reserved through the mobile app. And your Vacationeer advisor will walk you through exactly how and when to lock in this reservation. Another exclusive feature for families is the Marvel Design Studio. This is the resort's dedicated space for kids to unleash their inner comic book artist. The room is beautifully designed to look exactly like a real Marvel animation studio, complete with professional drafting tables and creative workstations. Your little ones can learn step-by-step techniques to draw their favorite heroes, color in massive coloring books, or dive into interactive digital media games. It's a highly engaging indoor activity center where kids can get creative and let their imaginations run wild while taking a relaxing break from the parks. Inside the resort, you'll also have the Metro Pool, a beautifully designed heated indoor and outdoor complex styled with sleek industrial Manhattan subway tiles. Right next door is the Metro Health Club, a clean, ultra-modern fitness center. But where this resort truly shines is how it encourages you to take that active energy out into the fresh air. Stepping outside, you'll find the Hero Training Zone. This is a spectacular, vibrant outdoor sports court featuring distinct zones for basketball, football, and even outdoor fitness challenges designed to let the whole family unleash their inner superhero. And if you want to take a breath and soak in the atmosphere, just outside the lobby, the resort features perfectly manicured lawns tucked right between the modern hotel facade and the water. Taking a light jog or a relaxing morning stroll along Lake Disney Boardwalk with the soft sunlight reflecting off the lake and the parks waiting just across the water is the absolute perfect way to center yourself before an action-packed park day. Now, because we want to give you a quick glimpse inside the accommodations, let's do a quick rapid-fire blast of 3 of our favorite room tiers on property. First up is the Superior Room. This is the resort's entry-level standard, featuring ultra-modern, crisp gray and black New York color scheme, accented with vibrant pops of heroic red. The tech here is beautifully integrated, including a flat-screen TV and a premium Nespresso machine. Plus, every single standard room comes styled with its own vibrant, curated Marvel character prints on the walls. Stepping up to an Empire State Club room, while the layout mirrors the standard rooms, the aesthetic gets a massive, sophisticated upgrade inspired directly by the personal taste of Tony Stark. You'll find sleeker, high-end furnishings, plush robes and slippers, and a collection of carefully curated Iron Man artwork framing the space. Not to mention, it completely unlocks the all-inclusive private lounge access we covered earlier. Finally, for the pinnacle of luxury, you have the Superhero Suite. This is an absolute masterpiece of elite Art Deco design. This expanded layout features a completely separate living room and master bedroom area, high-end upscale furnishings, and an exclusive collection of museum-grade Marvel artwork commissioned specifically for these rooms by legendary international illustrators. It's the ultimate way to assemble your team in pure 5-star style. Now, just like the Newport Bay Club across the lake, the Disneyland Hotel New York is also home to a massive, state-of-the-art convention center. It features over 43,000 square feet of modular event space, including the spectacular Grand Ballroom and up to 19 high-tech meeting rooms that can host everything from an intimate workshop to large-scale corporate summits. If you want to bring your team to a venue that pairs high-end Manhattan professionalism with world-class Disney production, this is the ultimate spot. But remember, just like the rest of the highly sought-after resort, this convention space books up years in advance. If you're looking to plan a corporate buyout or group event, be sure to connect with our team at the Vacationeer early so we can secure your dates and lock in your group packages before they fill up. Before we close out the tour, I want to send a massive, heartfelt thank you to Damien and Margot. This entire production and this incredible filming trip wouldn't have happened without their dedication and hard work behind the scenes to make the shoot a reality. And if you're ready to experience this high-end Marvel sanctuary for yourself, remember that booking your stay with us at the Vacationeer means you can get those extra park day tickets automatically included, plus the elite personalized planning to ensure every single reservation and hero encounter is perfectly in place. Reach out to your Vacationeer advisor or click the link down in the description to start planning your next spectacular Parisian adventure with the Vacationeer. As for me, I'm gonna go grab one last refill of this amazing Parisian coffee, catch that beautiful lakeside path, and head right back to lapping Hyperspace Mountain. Until next time, au revoir, and I'll see you in the parks.